Hi Darral, Professor Ball here. How's it going? I should say Mr. Coulter. How's it going? So during the course of the semester, you're either going to get comments from me like you have gotten, where I've just typed in comments, inserted comments. Got to turn my fan on here. Hopefully you can still hear me. But this time you're going to get video comments, so lucky you. So the first thing that I do when I look at papers is I look at MLA format. And you have everything you need here. You just need your last name and page number there, so Coulter 1, Coulter 2. And then Ride Like the Wind, I like your title. So bull riding, oh, check this. This seems like you've tabbed over one too many. It's just one tab over. Bull riding is the most dangerous sport in America and also one of the most popular. I think this is one word, bull riding. Double check that. Oh, that's why I'm putting the question marks there. That's a lower order concern. Although bull riding is such a popular sport in America, there is a considerable amount of controversy surrounding the sport and its lack of diversity. In being a black bull rider in a majority white sport, a segment broadcasted by Minority Report, correspondent Lee Adams investigates why one of the most popular sports in America has so few professional black athletes. Also learn what are some of the barriers that have made black representation difficult in the sport. Good. By stating the purpose, addressing his audience, and using a formal tone, Adams effectively uses the documentary as a platform to entertain, at the same time, inform the viewers of the lack of black bull riders. Okay, good. So you introduce this well. You don't just jump right in with Lee Adams. You talk about... you offer me some background, then you introduce the video, and then the source, and you do have a thesis statement here, which is good. This is very low order concern, but just check capitalization there. And I'm just a little concerned because the prompt is multi-part, like purpose, audience, and tone, and then the support. So I'm just wondering if you're going to talk about other things besides these three. So let's, purpose, audience, and tone. So let's see. The purpose of the documentary is not only to entertain, but also to inform the viewers of the lack of diversity in one of America's most popular sports. The segment suggests that most individuals are unaware that African Americans, proofreading, are even remotely interested in bull riding. Neil Holmes, a professional African American bull rider, and this is really just a small thing. So what kind of bull rider is he? Well, he's African American, so you do the hyphen or the dash. Or even, explains how difficult it is being a person of color in a white sport. He says, anytime you differ, is it you are different or stand out, you got that X on their back, unless that's how he wrote it. Okay. Darral, where's the rest of your paper? Okay, hold on. Let's see. What do we got here? Oops. All right, so Darral, I'm going to email you. There's only one page here. Okay. Hang on.